blow through hills and towns. When the wise man closes his eyes, he still hear that sound. Lie right deep in our heart, long before pen or page. You can hear it in the silence, you can feel it in the age. Jala written in song, every drum beat circle round. Truth ride the bass so low, carry we where we must go. Jala written in song, let the right word be found. Righteousness stand firm, stand strong. In this humble song, in this humble song. When the wicked twist the creed, try right, wrong as right, still the little child can tell what walking a life. Chant it soft, chant it clear, let your spirit stay clean. Every note a small prayer, wash the hidden unseen. Jada written in song, every drum beat circle round. Truth ride the bass so, carry we where we must go. Jada written in song, let the right word be found. Righteousness stand firm, stand strong. In this humble song, in this humble song. No stone tablet in my hand, only breath and faith I bring. If you listen from your soul, you will hear creation sing. You will hear. Early morning, name on a paper, number on a file, but something in me say that can't be all. They say, boy, you from nowhere, just another phase,
another case.
But I remember grandma tracing rivers on a map with her finger.
Say, all of this life in your veins, child, every border is pretend.
They call me by that slave house surname, laugh and say it suit me fine.
But inside I'm hearing drumbeat stories, marching back through stolen time. If they rename you, do they know you? If they can't cage you, do they own you? When they erase you, do you fade? Or do you rise from what they take? I am more than what you write on your form, more than letters you can twist, you can score. I am river, I am stone, I am flame. You can change my body, you can't own my name.
Ooh, I'm finding the roots of my name.
Every step is a step out of shame.
From the dust, from the hurt, from the Say why you talk so rough.
Try to sound a little smoother. Maybe then you'll be enough.
So I tried on borrowed voices, like hopes that never fit my skin.
Every please them that I swallow turned to rust upon my tongue within.
Passport picture, straight cold stare. Custom man don't see a thing.
Just a barcode in the system, not the songs my mother sings.
But in the kitchen late at night she whispers stories soft and low.
Never bow your back to mock her, straighten up, let spirit grow. If they can't hear you, do you stay quiet? If they deride you, do you deny it? When you feel smaller than your fear, do you remember who brought you here? I am more than what you write on your form, more than letters you can twist, you can score. I am river, I am stone, I am flame. You can tame my body, you can own my name.
Ooh, I'm finding the roots of my name.
Every last stem burning up in your flame.
From the dust, from the hurt, from the blame. I'm walking with the roots of my name.
Ooh, who am I?
You are breath from ancient fire.
Where I from? From the song of each survivor.
What I worth,
More than gold they pull from ground.
what I carry.
Every lost and sacred sound.
Say my name with honor.
Say my name with care.
Every syllable a story.
Every story is a prayer.
I am not your label.
I am not your file. I am not your measure on a profit pile.
I am that barefoot child.
Running free through cane and clay.
Before the whip, before the wall, before they learn to take away.
They try to teach us quiet, sit in line and look ahead.
But the memories in my mirror,
Keep on rising from the dead.
see my father work a factory.
Hands like broken concrete block.
Boss man shout his number, never learn a man he lock.
He come home with heavy silence, grease and grief upon his clothes.
But on Sunday in the backyard you can see his true blood glow.
Each stand tall and singing patois.
Bare feet in the morning sand. Warm breeze carry every plan away. Clouds drift like an old hymn slow. I breathe deep and let your river flow. Roots meditation under the quiet sun. Heartbeat easy, troubles come undone. I sit in your creation, nothing more I need. Peace grows steady like a little mustard seed. Yeah, palm leaves write scripture in the air. Silent prayer. Mind like water shadow just a place for the light to find a face. Every season have a time. Jah put calm inside this life of mine. Roots meditation under the quiet sun. Heartbeat easy when the day is done. I rest in your creation, body, soul, and mind. In this field of mercy, sweetest rest I'll find. The sun dips low behind the hill. I feel the earth, it's breathing still. The roots go deep, the branches sway. This life will last, it finds a way. Evergreen roots, they never die. Reach for the ground, reach for the sky. Evergreen roots, holding tight through the dark, through the light. The wind, it whispers ancient song. It tells me where I do belong. The soil remembers every name. The rain will fall, it feeds the flame. Oh, they twist, oh, they turn. They hold the lessons we must learn. Evergreen it stay. Light the dark, guide the way. Mystic liberty, rise and flow. Through the fire, through the glow. Mystic liberty, let it be. One love, one heart, one tree. To the sky, branches to the sun. All is connected, we are one. Rhythms of life in every beat. Mystic liberty, feel the heat. town. When the wise man close his mind, he still hear that sound. Law right deep in a heart, long before pen or page. You can hear it in the silence, you can feel it in the air. Jah Law written in song, every drum beat circle round. Truth ride the bass so low, carry we where we must go. Jah Law written in song, let the right word be found. Righteousness stand firm, stand strong in this humble song, in this humble song. When the wicked twist the creed, try hide wrong as right, still the little child can tell what walk in a light. Chant it soft, chant it clear, let your spirit stay clean. Every note a small prayer, wash the hidden unseen. Jah Law written in song, every drum beat circle round. Truth ride the bass so low, carry we where we must go. Jah Law written in song, let the right word be found. Righteousness stand firm, stand strong in this humble song, in this humble song. No stone tablet in my hand, only breath and faith I bring. If you listen from your soul, you will hear creation sing. You will music, blood and bone, heart and home. Jah music, from the first drum knock I answer the call. Stand firm in the fire, still I not crawl. Them off a we glitter, but rust in the skies. I sight through the glamour, I watch with wise eyes. No compromise, I chant true, let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jah music. Them always sing foolishness, hype up the war, dress up the vanity, sell it like star. But I can't betray the youths in the street, so I lift up justice in every heartbeat. Jah music, no compromise, I chant true, let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jah music, no compromise. If it no heal, man-made ways. Jam music, no compromise. I chant through, let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jam music, no compromise. From the street to the hills, let the righteous rise. One song, one word, Jah music, no compromise.
Once the moment I'm feeling like my mind. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, no, no. On the right. Morning ride. Feet on the ground. Hear that little voice saying you can turn it around. Used to hide my face in the back back of the crowd, heart full of thunder, but I never got loud. Then I learned my name, got power inside, like a seed in the soil, just waiting to rise. A root down, rise up, root down, rise up. We growing together, hands up, hearts one, every storm, every weather. Believe in yourself and believe in each other. Root down, rise up, every sister, every brother. Yeah. Root down, rise up, every sister, every brother. Oh yeah. One on the brother. You feel that pressure? It can polish your pride. We've been walking through shadow, still we carry the light. No one left behind.